This is a WCVB Channel 5 editorial. Speaking on behalf of the editorial board, WCVB President and General Manager Andrew Vries.
Massachusetts is gearing up for another tax-free weekend, a tradition dating back to 2004. Yet despite more than 2 decades of rising consumer prices, the limit on the retail value of items eligible for the exemption, $2,500 per item, remains exactly where it was on day one. Beacon Hills should seriously consider raising the cap to provide a meaningful benefit to consumers. At a minimum, lawmakers should apply the exemption to the first $2,500 of any purchase that exceeds the cap, which current law does not allow. When a fixed cap forces a family to pay the full 6.25% sales tax on essential purchases simply because prices have risen, the policy no longer serves its original purpose. Raising the threshold isn't just about giving consumers a break, it's about restoring the purchasing power that inflation has been quietly stripping away. Arguments against lifting the cap focus on the cost to the state treasury in uncollected taxes. In 2025, the state estimated about $36 million in foregone sales tax revenue because of the sales tax holiday, basically a rounding error in the context of a $63 billion budget. That argument also ignores a fundamental fiscal reality. As inflation drives up the cost of everyday goods, the state's tax revenues naturally increase. Massachusetts is already benefiting from collecting higher sales taxes on more expensive items throughout the year. Through May, the state had collected $70 million more in sales tax than at the same time in 2025, and $80 million more than anticipated. Lawmakers themselves have said the sales tax holiday will give shoppers a much-needed break at a time when they're facing higher prices on store shelves, driven in large parts by both tariffs and the war-related spike in oil prices. They get that consumers' purchasing power is suffering. All the more reason to update an outdated policy and inject some much-needed cash directly back into local households, precisely when they need it the most.
Send comments to editorials@WCVB.com.